guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I am journaling in my Inspired Bible. I am in the book of Revelation. I haven't done any journal entries in Revelation, but when I went to church today, we had a special speaker. He was really awesome, and he was doing sort of a New Year's message. So it was in the book of Revelation, in chapter 21, verse 5, and it says, "And the one sitting on the throne said, 'Look, I am making everything new.' And then he said to me, 'Write this down, for what I tell you is trustworthy and true.'" Two of the main points that the speaker had talked about was that God gives us a new name and a new identity. So no matter what happened in our past, no matter how bad it was, even if it wasn't that bad, once you come to know Jesus, he gives you a second chance. And just, he starts from the beginning. He doesn't label you. He is your son. You are his son or his daughter. And then the second point he had said was that God gives us a new purpose. And the things that we did in our past, those are important because God uses our brokenness to make a difference. And the speaker had said that God wants us to go out and do things that make a difference in the world. And it doesn't have to be big things, he said, just a tiny greatness. So I just thought it was amazing, and I love this passage. It's such a neat thing to think about as the new year starts. How can I make a difference in this world? What are some tiny greatnesses that I can do for other people? So what I want to do on this page is use my watercolors, and I had picked these up from Michael's. I will put a link for these down below if you are interested in them through Amazon. But they're a pearlescent watercolor. They're really pretty. And what I want to try is a technique that I've done several times before, is the squishing technique, where you put paint onto a piece of acetate with a little bit of water and get it the consistency of color that you want, and then you just squish it onto the page. So that's what I'm going to try there. And then I'll go back in and make the letters over here a little bit darker, and probably go in a little bit with detail on the flower and the butterfly down here. So that is what I'm going to do, and let me get this stuff cleared off and we will get started. Alright guys, so here's my final journal entry. I think it turned out super pretty, and the squishing technique, if you've never done it, is so easy, and it always turns out looking really super cool. So and with these pearlized watercolors, it just gives it a little shimmery effect. So I just went in and used a small paintbrush and colored in the words over here that says, I am making everything new. And then I went in on the flower and the leaves and the butterfly there. And then I just squished some blue and a couple different greens all over the page. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe. Come back tomorrow and Friday for some other crafting videos, and then come back Monday for Plan With Me, Tuesday for another crafting video, and next Wednesday, of course, for another Bible journaling video. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. And thank you for coming by, and see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.